Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Jupiter. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application. Then tap on the browser tab. In the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Over here, you can either use the search bar in the top and search for in Jupiter. Or what you can do is once you are on this page, you just have to scroll down a bit. And here you will see the option of trending websites. So in the trending websites, you will see Jupiter as no. 1. So you need to tap on it. And you will be redirected on the official website of Jupiter. That is jup.ag. Now once you are over here, you just have to tap on the connect button. That would be in the top right-hand corner of the screen. And select your Phantom Wallet. After that, you can see that now my Phantom Wallet is connected with Jupiter. And here, you can just swap your favorite coins with the help of Jupiter. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe Softpro. We make easy to understand tutorials about business project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.